Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So we just took the flight from Rotorua to Christchurch, and now we have checked into this hotel called the Mayfair. Actually, initially we would like to book the George. That's the hotel that I had stayed before, which is quite a nice boutique hotel, but I do not have 3 nights straight for the booking at the George. I actually have to change room, so I do not like that. And the Mayfair, this property is a newer boutique hotel, so I say, I want to give it a try. Okay, so that's what I did. So I want to give you a very quick room tour. Right now is high season in New Zealand, so everything is very expensive and very little availability, and I book it 3 months in advance, and still I cannot get the hotel that I want. But anyway, this is a nice hotel. I think the location wise is a little bit more remote, but I will just show you what the room is like. Okay, so first take, what you see is what I have. So very good luggage space for 2 medium-sized luggage, and they have the safe deposit here. They have some extra storage here. Okay, and then here is actually the wardrobe, and they have the nice thick bathrobes as well as slippers, iron board, and then can also do laundry if you want to, and good number of hangers as well. Okay, then on my right, yes, is the bathroom. Actually, the bathroom is very big in size in a way, so they are very spacious, although it's still the single sink, but with the nice thick towels. Okay, and then the hair dryers here, just a few amenities. And then this is the stand-up shower. And the amenity as well. Okay, so although they do not have the rain shower, but this is a very spacious stand-up shower, and another bathroom over here. Okay, so here actually it's not a full kitchenette, but they do have a microwave over here, and then they have the mini bar, the French press coffee, the wine glasses, and let me see what is in here. Okay, so for this washer, liquid, and then for the fully stocked mini bar. What is inside. Okay, so sorry, there's nothing in here. Okay, so moving right on, still very nice decor. This is the boutique hotel style that I like. So you can see they have the tablet for all the hotel information. They should have, if I know how to turn it on. I will figure that out and add that to the video, because it was on. Okay, there you go, sorry. So just to get started, okay, so there you go. So they do have the room service, the guest service, the hotel information, the pillow menu, the mini bar, exercise room. Okay, meet at the Mayfair gift shop, and the maps, okay, and the weather and everything. So they have the tablet for more information if we want to. Okay, so there you go. And then again, they have pillow menu as well, but they already have nice pillow, king coil, thick mattress. Okay, and then the king size bed over here, very clean and sleek in the color and design. Okay, and there is the lazy chair, and this is the television of good size, and there's also a work desk here because we always still need to do some work during holiday, so that's a good spot. And then mine got a balcony, although the balcony here has technically not much view, but at least you can get out to get some fresh air if you want to. And I'm on the 3rd floor, and the hotel, only got 4th floor, so this is already kind of on the higher floor. Okay, so technically this is my room. We'll be staying here for 3 nights in Christchurch. We have not booked breakfast, we just booked the room only. So we'll see if we'll add breakfast on or not. But because we booked direct, they say we have a welcome drink that we can enjoy downstairs. So I will show you the restaurant no matter what. Okay, so follow us and I will show you more about this hotel if you'd like to find a nice boutique hotel, a newer one to stay in Christchurch. This is the Mayfair.